Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guide. If you go to Start menu and type in anything, such as BBC News, what it would do is it will directly go to Bing search engine and will give you results from there. Today we will teach you how to disable Bing search in the Windows 10 Start menu. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is go to the search bar and type in regedit. So this is the best result, right? Click on Registry Editor and click Run as Administrator. Just a reminder though, that you need to be cautious in editing here, because if you make a mistake, your computer may stop working. So once the Registry Editor is open, double-click HKey Current User to expand it. Then scroll down and select Software. This one, expand it. Next, scroll down till you find Microsoft. Double-click on it to expand. Under Microsoft, scroll down and search for Windows. Here it is, expand Windows. Next, expand CurrentVersion. Then scroll down and find Search. Next, right-click on Search, select New, and choose DWord 32-bit value. You have to rename this file. Rename it to Bing Search Enabled. Make sure that there are no spaces and the letters B, S, and E are capital letters. Now once you have created the file, double-click on it. A new window will open. Ensure that the value data is 0. If you notice that it's not 0, then change it to 0 and click the OK button. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.